The day has finally come. We have created a really nice minimal underground tech house sample pack. This time we have created the ultimate sample pack with sounds like Chris Stussy, Josh Baker, Sidney Charles and way more. The sounds in this sample pack are insanely good. We have a sample pack and a serum preset pack. And I'm gonna dive into the pack right now. Let's go. So I'm gonna start with the construction kits. We have 5 construction kits and I'm gonna show you how they sound. I'm gonna drag it into the project. It's 132 BPM. And this one is inspired by Sidney Charles. This is huge, and all the sounds that you hear right now are in the sample pack or in the serum pack. It's great. All the separate elements are here as well, so you can play around with them if you want. I'm gonna show you another one. Inspired by Chris Stussy, of course. I fucking love these sounds. These elements are so nice and they're all inside the pack. So we're gonna start with the vocals first. You have some rap fox phrases. We have the dry and wet versions of them, so you can play around with them. If you wanna add other elements, you have the dry versions as well.
So loud we'll shake the ground. Don't stop moving, just keep grooving. Drop the beat, let's keep it flow.
It's so nice, and these are all royalty free, so you can use them for yourself, of course. There are some words in it, dry and wet as well.
6 a.m. all night. Bass in your face, bassline added, bassline jumping, bassline therapy.
So these are so nice, and we made a vocoder version of them as well. So this is how they sound like. It's so fucking cool. And the cool thing is, I'm gonna dive into that later in this video, but this sample pack is actually so nice that you can just drag in something and it sounds good instantly. You can mix and match a lot with these samples. So for example, this instrument right here, we're gonna go to the melodies. You have a lot of cool melodies, but they are all matched with the bass sound as well. So let me just grab one. So let's grab this one. This one is called Thrill, and the cool thing is that you can search here by name. So we know it's called Thrill. Then I go to the bass loops, and then I'm gonna search for Thrill. Where is it? Here, it's on the 5th bass loops, because we have a lot of 5th bass loops here as well that you can use. So if you hear this right now, it sounds instantly good. So and then I'm gonna grab just a random drum loop here, a full groove. So you hear it sounds good instantly, without doing any post-processing. So that's the nice thing. We're gonna grab a little more. Let's check out. Let's grab this one called Dust. The keys are named here as well, so this one is in G minor. I'm gonna search for Dust right now. That's this one. And then you have some atmospheres. They are all in C minor. So if I'm gonna drag it in like this, I have to pull this up -5, which is meaning it's on G right now. Or you can put it up +7, it's also on G. Or this one. I'm gonna go for a top loop. I like that one, but I like this one as well. Then I'm gonna go for a kick loop. Just grab this 909 kick. And let's go for a vocoder vocal. and maybe a normal rap phrase.
Move your body, free your mind.
Like this one, for example. I like this one.
Move your body, free your mind.
Maybe it's cooler if I have this here, for example. I'm gonna remove this. And then some fills before it hits. Maybe this one is...
Move your body, free your mind.
You know, it's just literally drag and drop. I'm gonna grab some other ones. Let's check out the bass ones, the bass loops. Let's grab this one, Vortex. This one is a little bit inspired by Josh Baker and Sidney Charles. I really like that sound. I'm gonna check the melodies as well. I need to go to Vortex. Vortex, Vortex, Vortex. Here are you. Let's grab a top loop. Let's grab this one. Let's grab the same kick here. This one. So, you know, like the options are endless. There are some nice effects in it. So I love these kind of sounds. Of course, there are all bass shots in it. And all the MIDI files of everything is there. So we're gonna go to the Serum pack right now. And then I'm gonna show you what the nice thing is with this pack. So this is the Serum pack. So there are a lot of basses in it, some chord steps, some leads. There is an organ in it, a really nice warm organ, some cool pads, some plugs, sequence things. So these are all super nice if you want to create tracks in this specific genre. I'm gonna start here with the bass. And I'm gonna grab a MIDI from something. Let's grab Pulse. Here are you. So the cool thing is right now we have this melody from Pulse. But if you want to change some notes, you can do that super simple just by playing around with the MIDI files. So let me check some other sounds from the Serum pack, because there are a lot of cool sounds in it. So this bass, for example, and right now I'm gonna drag in one of the loops. So let's drag in Vortex, for example. So there's a nice lately bass in it, which is really working in this kind of tracks. I like this one a lot. You can play around with these effects a lot. And if this character knob, so if you bring that back, you have this ravey step, but now it sounds a little bit more original. So this kind of sounds works really well with this Chris Stussy kind of sounds. I really like this sound. Some nice steps. Oh, I love this kind of sounds. Wow. Some nice steps. A different variation of the previous sound. So that were all the presets for Serum. So yeah, this pack is revolutionary, I swear. There's so many nice sounds in the pack. If you want to create tracks in this kind of style, this is really something for you, because you have everything inside this pack. A lot of cool fifth sounds, a lot of cool bass loops in there. All the MIDI files are included, some nice drums, some fills in it. Really nice drums. It works for this kind of style. All the one shots, of course, like the kick, the hats, the claps, some nice crashes. And especially these kind of vocals again are working very good. So yeah, this pack is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.